This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Bailey Smith. Unique property situated on a portion of Scotts Creek. Seller has carefully and lovingly restored this home to reflect its original charm. Cedar shake shingles. Solid hardwood floors throughout. Cozy home with additional room upstairs that could be a third bedroom or office with great views. New kitchen, both baths, elec, and plumbing. Tankless hot water heater. Sunrm off main room downstairs. LG bathroom with jetted tub, large walk-in shower and double sinks. LG attic. Price includes additional adjacent lot of 1607 Ward Terrace. Legal description 12,13 and PT 14, Blocks 8, 1607 Ward. Pecan trees, plum trees and cherry trees to enjoy. Deck garage with elec. Sit back and relax in the huge backyard and enjoy all it has to offer. The peaceful, relaxing views and the natural wildlife. This property has so much to offer. And a bonus, no flood insurance. For more information, review the details below.